Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for scale. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here, which is obvious to spot as price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically here on the monthly. Now, we can also go ahead and plot our swing low, as this is the lowest point where candle bodies closed before price reversed. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now, here in the weekly, what can we notice? Well, we can go ahead and plot a key level right here. Notice how we have a reaction acting as support and multiple reactions acting as resistance, making this a very key level. Now we can also go ahead and fine tune our monthly swing high to the candle body close here on the weekly, as we notice multiple reactions at the same key level. Now we can also go ahead and plot a key level right here, as we see multiple reactions acting as support, and we see a fake out from this level, but we also notice another key level right here, as we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support, and another resistance. Now, notice the long wick from this candle here too, reacting to the same key level. Now, looking at more recent price action, we can notice a key level right here, as we can see multiple reactions acting as resistance to the same key level. Now we can also notice a key level right here, as we have a support, resistance, now acting as support. We can also go ahead and plot a key level right here, as we notice price comes up, hits, reverses, and over here we see price come down and a double bottom formed at the key level before reversing drastically to the upside. Now, always remember our key levels are plotted in as zones and are not strict prices, as we want to see a reaction around the key level. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.